Guess which is one of the most powerful muscles in the body, one that we use all the time. Yes, you guessed it. It is the heart. The heart is the main organ in the circulatory system. It pumps blood throughout your entire body. The heart works day and night, never stopping. It pumps blood through long, thin tubes called blood vessels. This constant flow of blood helps cells in our body to stay alive. The heart makes sure that blood that contains a lot of oxygen is transported to all of the body's organs, and that wastes, like carbon dioxide, are transported away from those organs. Okay, let's get to the heart of the matter. The heart is about the size of a fist. It has 4 compartments, or chambers, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. The 2 chambers at the top are called the right atrium and the left atrium, while the 2 at the bottom are called the right ventricle and the left ventricle. A thick wall, called the septum, separates the 2 sides. The right side of the heart and the left side of the heart have different jobs. Let's talk about the left side first. The left atrium fills with oxygen-rich blood that has just come from the lungs. This oxygenated blood moves down into the left ventricle. The ventricle squeezes and pumps the blood out of the heart into a series of blood vessels called arteries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to the upper and lower parts of the body. The arteries have many branches, which help the blood get to all the parts of your body. At the end of each branch are capillaries, which are very thin blood vessels. Oxygen from the blood moves through the walls of the capillaries into the cells in our muscles, bones, stomach, and other organs. Wastes, like carbon dioxide, move in the opposite direction, through the capillary walls and into the blood. The capillaries then join together to become veins. Veins are blood vessels, like arteries, but they transport deoxygenated blood that contains wastes back to the heart. When the deoxygenated blood gets back to the heart, it goes into the right side. The atrium and ventricle on the right side receive blood that has already been used by the body. The blood fills the right atrium and then flows into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts and squeezes this blood into blood vessels that lead straight to the lungs. The lungs are full of air from our breathing. When the blood reaches the lungs, oxygen from the air moves into the blood, and carbon dioxide is removed. This makes the blood oxygen-rich again, and it flows back to the left side of the heart. This cycle continues over and over again, transporting oxygenated blood throughout the body, and then back to the lungs where it can pick up more oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. Hey, can you hear the heart going lub, dub? Well, you are listening to the heartbeat. The functioning of the heart produces this sound. The heart may easily beat 100,000 times a day, or about 70 times every minute. Imagine any other muscle in your body working that hard.